Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Mosaic Black Metallic 2017 Chevrolet Malibu LT, stock number A7109. This is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 17-inch hand-cooked tire. And inside there's a black cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Malibu. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Coming back to the rear, you've got keyless entry for the trunk. There is also a backup camera here. And the reason that I'm showing you this Malibu today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. And stepping inside to the left of the steering wheel, there are cruise control buttons. And then over on the right-hand side, you have your audio controls. Above the rear view mirror, there are OnStar buttons. You've got a great touchscreen display here, which is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage, you're getting great mileage with around 36 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on the Chevrolet or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.